Hello, I'm Rahul, and today is our topic about women equality or justice. The fight for women's right uh, has long been a central issue in society around the world. While the terms equality and justice are often used interchangeably, they carry distinct meanings. Equality refers to treating everyone the same, while justice focus on fairness, which may sometimes require different treatment to ensure balanced outcomes. When discussing the rights and roles of women, it is important to consider not just equality but also justice. Women equality means giving women the same rights, opportunities, and treatment as men. This includes equal pay for equal work, equal access to education, and equal participation in leadership and decision making roles. Many countries have taken steps in this direction by implementing laws that prohibit gender discrimination and by promoting gender diversity in workplace and politics. However, equality alone does not always lead to fairness. Justice goes a step further by recognizing that women have faced centuries of discrimination, exclusion, and disadvantage. Simply treating men and women the same in the present does not erase the effects of that long history. Justice means correcting those imbalance by offering support, protection, and sometimes special measure that allow women to truly compete on a equal footing. For example, while offering the same job to both men and women equality, providing maternity leave, protection against workplace harassment, and access to childcare support is a justice. This measure acknowledges the unique challenges women face and help create a environment where they can succeed without being held back by their gender or social roles. Moreover, uh, justice is essential in an area where women are vulnerable, such as in case of domestic violence, dowry harassment, and human trafficking. Equal laws for men and women in this situation are not enough. Justice demand stricter enforcement, survivor-centered policies, and social reform that empower women and prevent such crimes. So we are concluded that while women equality is necessary and important, it is not always difficult. Justice provides a broader, deeper approach to achieving true gender fairness. By combining equality with justice, we can build a world where women are not only treated the same but also truly empowered to live with dignity, safety, and freedom. Thank you.